In this transition plan video, I'm going to offer some advice for how to avoid an emergency room visit invalidating your power of attorney.
Hospitals are sticklers for requiring each patient to have a power of attorney form. And those facilities that care primarily for geriatric patients take it a step further. They frequently require that the healthcare agent be present when medical procedures are to be initiated. If the parent has a power of attorney form, but the agent is not immediately available, the hospital may seek to have another power of attorney form executed that names an available family member or friend as the agent. Now, the hospital's pressure to execute a power of attorney form could wreck your parents' plans that they put in place by purchasing power of attorney forms. Most healthcare providers use a variation of the power of attorney form that has been created by their state's attorney general. Almost universally, those healthcare forms include revocation language.
This is the Illinois statutory short form power of attorney for healthcare. And the very first provision of the document is the revocation of all prior powers of attorney. This is the last page, page 4, of the Missouri statutory form for healthcare. I've highlighted the revocation language, paragraph 3.
Now, those revocation provisions are a problem whenever a parent has already put a power of attorney form in place. Let's say that your parent falls and is rushed to the hospital. The admission staff will inquire about the existing power of attorney, but if the agent's not available, the parent's condition could be serious and the hospital may seek to have the parent execute a new form. In doing so, the hospital has revoked your parent's original power of attorney form. The person who the parent named as the agent no longer has authority to make healthcare decisions. However, there's a procedure to avoid this happening.
Again, here's that first page of the Illinois statutory form. If you want to avoid revoking your power of attorney, then you will need to line through the language for the revocation, initial it, and date it.
By lining out the revocation language, initialing it, and dating it, the parent can keep the original power of attorney agent in place. So when that agent is able to make it to the hospital, he or she can take over the healthcare decisions instead of the agent that was present when the hospital required execution of their power of attorney form. This will keep your parents' plans in place as they desired.
If you have other power of attorney form questions, visit the Transition Plans YouTube channel for additional videos. We also post advice to the Pre-Need Resource Company Facebook page and to www.deathcarelaw.com. You may also want to visit the Transitions Plan website at www.stalterlegal.com. Each of our documents are explained on that website. The Transition Plan web page also includes prices for packages of life contracts. However, if you participate in a planning seminar sponsored by one of our affiliated hosts, we will discount the cost of your essential life contracts. Please contact that sponsor host for more information about pricing and Zoom meetings where we'll answer any questions.